y'all, it's Forever Shar, and in today's video I will be showing you all how I created my own feather lamp. If you have not, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Products we will be using are a styrofoam ball, half balls. You will need a half ball unless you want to get a whole one and you cut it in half. I didn't want to do that, so we're going to start with that. You also will need Larry Hot's pink. That's the color of my choice. I use pink and white of Larry Hot's. They are the large ostrich feathers. And you will need some Gorilla Glue. It is used for glass, stone, metal, etc., etc. And lastly, you will need a gooseneck lamp, adjustable. It is a LED light. Make sure you get a LED light. Pretty much laying the feathers of the colors, but first I started with the white. I started at the very bottom of the styrofoam piece or the round piece, and I'm going to stick the feather. That part is very sturdy. I'm going to stick that through, and I'm going to go all the way around with my white feathers. This lamp pretty much runs about $3,500. I don't have $3,500 to spend on a lamp, so why not just recreate my own lamp in my own space? I don't have a problem with DIY and a lot of things, and I think that this project was probably like the most fun project that I have done besides doing my nails. And you know your girl like to do her nails, but this was really fun, y'all. When I say I had a good time, and it took me 2 days because I ran out of feathers, but we will see that in another clip. Since we are now done with the white feathers, I am going to start with my pink feathers, and I am going to do the same exact thing. Just layer it. We're just layering colors, layering colors, layering colors, layering the colors. At this point I kind of started winging it because I was running out of so many white feathers. I had more pink and I had a little taste of white, so I started to mix and match. I didn't go white pink. It was getting to the point where I just started putting the pinks with the whites and the whites with the pinks. It still came out cute though. I actually ran out of feathers. This was my last feather, which was the pink one. I had to go right to Amazon and do a 1-day shipping, and the feathers came the next day. I had to order 2 packs of feathers. So in all, I used 10 packs of feathers, 10 total, to get a full look of the lamp. It's the next day and my feathers came right on time. Mind you, I used 5 packs of pink and 5 packs of white, but we cannot be catfishing y'all with this feather like I'm bald at the top and then in the middle, you know, in the bottom, in the middle I got a little hair. No, we're gonna put some feathers on top. I did go in and fill in any gaps that I see the white foam throughout the lamp, because I did not want any of the white foam to show when you actually see the lamp with the light on. I did not want any of that white foam to show. I did that off camera, guys. Are all complete with the top of the lamp. Now this is going to be the hardest part that I had to do. because oh my god, this was very hard. We're going to use some Gorilla Glue. The Gorilla Glue is pretty much, you can use it on foams, metals, ceramic, all that good stuff. And we're going to put the glue on top of the gooseneck lamp. Make sure if you want to do this project, you get a gooseneck lamp, and make sure it is a LED lamp. Necessarily, it doesn't have to be a gooseneck, but I wanted it to be a gooseneck because I wanted to adjust the lamp. Are sitting this foam piece on top of it. Make sure that it is centered in the middle. I wish I would have shown you guys that part, but I could not because I feared that I didn't have time to waste. So let's go ahead and get this thing. I'm under here like I'm under the hood of a car. That's how hard it was. And then the lamp kept falling over on top of all that. I had to put some computer stands at the bottom of it so that it can dry for 24 hours. Oh my god, girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. Per the instructions of the Gorilla Glue, you are going to let this dry for 24 hours. Do not come back and touch it. Let it dry for 24 hours, and then we're gonna come back the next day to show y'all what it's giving. 24 hours later, we are back in action. This is the finished look of my feather lamp, my DIY feather lamp. Make sure you guys get some weights to put at the bottom. I did do a little razzle dazzle to cover up the weights. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe to Forever Shar's channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.